What's going on, dudes? Welcome back to more Happy Wheels. Let's do it. So there really aren't like any more maps, but I didn't go down that far. So Speed Bridge. Wait, did we? I think we already did Speed Bridge. What is this one? Alright, if it'll load. There we go. Ah, that was a snake. Ah. What? Stupid snakes. Screw you, Anubis. You can't steal the, what is it? You can't steal the, wait. Millennium Pyramid from, wait. So we're gonna light me against the floor. Mark on the floor. Find something to bend the light. Okay. How are we supposed to bend the light? Do we like... What am I supposed to do? Screw this. Screw your map. The Mystic Cave. I've never done this one, I don't think. Do not enter. Screw your rules. Dead end. Oh man. Such maneuvers. Wait, what did I say? It looks like the red area is locked. Find a key to unlock it. Okay, let's go find the key. Dad, we're falling through the world. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that was it was just yeah, dang it. Oh, Javelin, my bike, my bike. Oh, hello. So now we gotta go all the way back. Dude, that's gonna be like a $50 an entire new tire. Dude, I might have to get a new tube and everything. That, oh my god. Wow, these guys. Come on. I can't even, come on, go back. I can't. Oh, no. Oh. I don't think you guys want to see that whole thing again. Temple Run. We'll do this one. Oh god, there's a monkey chasing us. Oh god. Here, let's retry. Oop. Oh, I forgot you can't like crouch or anything in this. Oh no, Segway Guy. I love Segway Guy. He's one of my favorite. I don't know how he can't be your favorite. Oh, I have to jump that. Oh, hi there. You are very kind. Don't know. Can't touch this. It's like we're best friends just going on a ride. Whoa. What, yeah, okay. Bigfoot Forest. Yeah. Look, it's Bigfoot. It's a Squatch. There's something in the woods. Where'd it go? Where did Lee Bigfoot go? Get back here, you hairy bastard. Come on. My leg will guide us. Oh god. Now Bigfoot's chasing us. Oh god, there he is. Hey, we passed another Bigfoot. Huh. So there's a lot of Bigfoots. I thought we was just, you know, string. A love story? Boy, Mr. Indiana Jones. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, what a beautiful love story. Oh. Well then. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna wait for it. Okay, hold on, let's pick up speed. Totally nailed it. That takes skill. Alright, this is too hard. My skills are not very awesome. Course 7. Whatever. Look at this. Welcome. Oh god. This is why you don't do drugs, kids. Slow. Oh. Well then. Oh, wait, one sec. I gotta. Wait, hold on. Let me just do that. Oh, crap. Oh, dude, Jesus. Oh, God. There we go. Just like that. Okay, there we go. Restart. Gotcha. Slow. I forgot. One more time. Give it one more try. Hut. Yes. I don't even know this guy. Come on. Come on. What? Good Lord. Fast. Oh god. Yeah, get the little. It's so quiet here. Oh. Oh my god, do you see his legs? Those are some pretty sick legs. This is not awesome. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Well, we made it pretty far. I've never played this one. I've seen it though. Let me move my keyboard. Okay, there we go. Hold space to start. What are you supposed to do? This is very cool. Is this like Mortal Kombat? Oh. I don't. Keep going down. No. Wipe out. Let's go Segway guy. Wipe out. Oh, nope. Segway guy. Make the play. Okay. Alright, this one I'm gonna beat. I'm just saying that. This one I'm gonna beat. Let's go. My god. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna have to end it here in like 10 seconds. Let me just see how far I can get. Okay, well I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe even subscribe, you know. Drop a like, and I'll see you.